So you're going gluten-free. You might feel a little bit overwhelmed, but don't worry. I'm going to show you the basics so you can get started. The first thing you want to do is get a list of the names for gluten and the ingredients that may contain gluten, so you know what you're looking for. The next step is to decide if your kitchen is going to be gluten-free or shared, what's called a compromise kitchen. If you're going totally gluten-free, you're going to go through your cabinets and cupboards and pull out any items that contain gluten. Then you're going to dispose of those and replace those gluten-y old products with some fabulous new gluten-free finds. If you're going to have a compromise kitchen, you're going to clearly mark the gluten-free items that you're keeping so you know those are safe. Then you need to go get new shared items like nut butters and condiments and clearly mark those GF so there's no chance of cross-contamination from the other folks that use your kitchen. Now, here comes the fun part. You get to find incredible new foods and fabulous new recipes that you will love. Welcome to my gluten-free family. I'm glad you're here.